In this module, we are going to talk about ascribed and achieved status. Social status refers to a position one holds in a society or a group. It implies the position or rank of an individual. For example, father, teacher, employer are examples of social status. This social status is divided into two types: ascribed status and achieved status. Ascribed status is that status that is given on the basis of situation. It is given by the members of society. It is given by birth on the basis of placement in a social group. It is based on age, race, kinship, sex, family, etc. Here are the examples of ascribed status. Being born in a rich family, family name, family status, age, right of heritage. For example, there are different clans: Rajputs, Arai, Jat. In the same way, we can say that how their family names are given, like Ahmed, like Rana, like Chaudhary. So these are the given names on the basis of their lineage. So their ages are different, definitely, and how they have the right of heritage. Now, after understanding ascribed status, we are heading towards achieved status. Position earned out of personal efforts. If somebody makes some personal efforts to be a sportsman, an engineer, a doctor, or anything like that, so that is an achieved status based on ability, capacity, and efforts of individuals. Some individuals achieve the status because of available facilities. Some achieve the status against odds and difficulties. So these are the human capabilities. Those try to find or try to achieve any goal when they wish for or have desired to be like that. So after that struggle, whatever a human being achieved, that is known as achieved status. Here are the examples of achieved status: through education, wealth, displaying personal ability in the field of social services and sports, making friends, becoming a doctor, being criminal. So there are negative things sometimes, although that is not wished for, but sometimes it happens that unfortunately people become criminal. So even that status he achieved owing to his bad habits, bad attitudes, or you may call it that bad or negative thinking that he pursued while living in a community. So we can say that achieved status can be of any type, that may be regarding positive status and that may be negative one. But usually people struggle for positive goals, and those positive goals end up with being that doctor, engineer, or a sportsman. So this is what all about achieved status of a human being living in a community.